Allegedly, in San Francisco, California, it is illegal to store your own stuff in your own garage. I do agree with this law, as there is very little room on the streets of San Francisco to store your vehicle without blocking daily city functions, as I have personally been there. The law, though, should be written as excess property may be stored after room is made for one's personal vehicle. The ignorance, stupidity, and narrow-mindedness is people thinking this law is stupid. I will try my best to make these laws sound as despicably stupid as possible. My name is Vincent Dunlap, and I'm reporting the most stupid and dumb laws in these United States, allegedly accused but not proven, questionably true. Please respond with your comments, updates, and or sensible criticism, including if I have missed anything. Please like, subscribe, and share, and enjoy your night.